Welcome to the tiny house's front yard. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at an electric tiller. In this video, I'll show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This comes with 2 batteries, the battery charger, instruction manual, screwdriver, and the batteries have a battery light indicator. They are not completely charged. Well, one is not completely, but one is completely charged, so we're going to use this one. You also have the tiller that has a handle. This was really easy to put together. You just slide this part on. There's a little pull tab here that you pull, and there's a little notch that it locks into place. And then you tighten this down so that it's nice and snug. You put this around the handle to give yourself extra leverage. I forgot to mention that this does come with a cover. However, I'm not going to use the cover because it's just going to get caked with sand and not work the way that I need it to work. The tiller has 4 blades on it. We currently have this sandy area that has some erosion issues that happened before we got our gutters put on. So I'm going to try to smooth it out using this tiller. You can see here that I'm using this with one hand. There is a little button that you have to push on the side to release the trigger and then pull the trigger to get it to run. But it does have a significant amount of power. It doesn't have too much power that I can't use it with one hand, but it does have a good amount of power to get through this wet, thick sand. Overall, I'm really impressed with how lightweight it is and maneuverable. I'm really impressed with how well it is pulling this sand back. I love the fact that it comes with 2 batteries. Overall, I'm just very impressed by it. So if you are looking for an electric tiller, this is a really good option. You can see that I have 28% battery left. So it used quite a bit of the battery for this little section, but I mean, it looks better already.